Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akakadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. In the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, in the name of Hamashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kadash, the whole tongue. And Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a recent news article from the Jerusalem Post. As we continue to see, the rising tensions are heating up between the Houthi rebels, which is over there in Yemen, going against the U.S. military and the U.S. Coalition forces as well too. As tensions are heating up over there in the Red Sea between both sides. And this is a news article from the Jerusalem Post by Reuters, published March the 19th, 2024. And it says U.S. military says it destroyed Houthi missiles and drones. The U.S. military said on Monday it destroyed 7 anti-ship missiles, 3 drones, and 3 weapons in storage containers in Houthi-controlled areas of Yemen. It says it was determined these weapons presented an imminent threat to merchant vessels and U.S. Navy ships in the region. The U.S. Military Central Command said in a statement on the social media site X. It's the book of Joel, Ecclesiastes 3 and verse 8. In a time to love, in a time of HATE, in a time of war, in a time of peace. Joel 3 and verse 9. Proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war. Wake up the mighty man, let all the men of war draw near, and let them come up. Joel 3 and verse 10. Beat your plowshares and the swords and the pointy hooks into spears, and let the weak say I'm strong. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post as of March 19, 2024, published and by Reuters. And it says again, the U.S. military said it destroyed Houthi missiles and drones as the rising tensions are heating up over there in the Red Sea between the Houthi rebels, which is an Iranian-backed group, against the United States Army as well too, and the coalition forces. So with that, once again, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Shem Akakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Ba'Hashem, in the name of Hamashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kadash, the whole tongue. And Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf once more. Until next time, I will say Shalom.